Wait, where did all my money go?
You earned the money. So why did it disappear? Maybe your income isn't the only problem.
The real question is, what happens after the money reaches your hands? Money doesn't usually disappear all at once. It leaks.
A small purchase here, a subscription you forgot, a few expensive meals.
Sometimes, you don't buy something because you need it. You buy it because you're bored. One decision doesn't look dangerous, but repeat it every week and the leak becomes serious.
Think of your income like water entering a container. If the container has holes, pouring in more water won't solve the problem.
You don't need more money first. You need to find the leaks.
Don't judge yourself. You're not trying to feel guilty. You're trying to see reality.
Because you can't change a pattern you can't see. You can't see.
Ask yourself, which expenses actually improve my life?
Then ask, which expenses keep happening simply because you're used to them? You don't have to stop enjoying your money. You just need to stop spending automatically.
Before you buy, pause. Do I need this? Will I still want it tomorrow? What else could this money do?
Every dollar has an opportunity cost. Money spent today can't build something else tomorrow.
When your income arrives, don't wait to see what remains. Give your money a job first.
Automation makes this easier. Save and invest automatically when you get paid. Automation makes this easier. Save and invest automatically when you get paid. Automation makes this easier. Save and invest automatically when you get paid.
You don't have to rely on motivation every month. Let your system do part of the work.
And when your income increases, don't automatically increase your lifestyle.
When you earn more, a bigger paycheck doesn't require a bigger life. Save it, invest it, reduce your debt.
You don't need perfect money habits. You need better habits, repeated consistently.
Track your money. Find the leaks. Pause before spending. Give your income a job.
And when you earn more, allow your financial strength to grow faster than your lifestyle. Your paycheck is only the beginning. What you do with the money after you receive it determines what that money can become. Change your money behavior, and you can change your financial future. Change your mind. Change your money. Change your life.